Okay, hi everyone. Welcome back to Tutorials. We've spent quite a while. I've not been here on this platform. So welcome back. Just go through a voiceover on how I made this a speed up. So some parts I will be talking about, some parts I will just allow it to play. So I have drawn the background, just a normal rectangle background. That's for that's the one that's behind her, and I already have an image of her. And now I'm just drawing a shape. I expanded it so it becomes a fill. Then I add the roughen effect. So you could go to effect, you go to roughen, and then you can adjust accordingly. So now after I adjusted it, I adjusted the angles to have it curved or folded angles, rounded angles instead, rounded sides instead. So this the same thing for the strokes. Then I already have a content being generated on ChatGTP, and I brought it into here just to have a caption around the stroke. So you necessarily don't actually need maybe a stroke or a fill for this. You can just have it drawn, then you just put in your text right there. So I just have this. I'm going to give space. I'm going to copy everything. I'm going to duplicate it so it goes around there, and also play with the font size. Then I am going to adjust it a little bit and ensure that it's sitting well with me. While I also touch on the background, and as you adjust the background, also the roughing effect begins adjust to follow the size and the shape. So the same thing there. So now I actually expanded the text. So now the text is now a fill instead of it's more like a fill actually. So it's now a fill instead of an expanded text instead of a normal text that can be editable easily. Now it's just a text that is just a shape but cannot be edited as a text. So I selected the two of them and I was trying a different technique. I was trying to see if I have a grouped shape, and I tried to blend them if it would be possible, and it did not work. So I want to try something different instead. So I expanded the text again to see if I was thinking probably the text was not expanded or didn't come out well. So I now tried to blend, and they are now like combined together. So they are combined as a text, as a shape, as one shape instead of a particular text. So now I blend them and I'll double click and go to specified steps, and I can reduce and increase the number of steps that I have for the blend. So I take it back there behind her, and the rest is just me trying to see if I can adjust the size. So now for this text box is more of the same stuff that I applied, the same blend to it. So just to make it look like that. And then I go to ChatGPT and grab more information, and just all this is like just going back and forth with the whole design thing. And I just started drawing some artistic designs or some artistic drawings on her eyebrows and other things. So from here, I'm just going to speed up the whole video towards the end, and then probably see you at the end of the video. for watching. If you enjoyed this,